could ask you about the Adran leagues, actually, if you're not aware, you do not need to answer. But after the Wrecsam Cardiff City game, the league released a statement because of just the immense amount of sexist and misogynistic comments that followed after that game. I'm not sure if you're aware of it and just what your message would be.
Just heartbreaking that we're still there, and congratulations to Wrecsam, but equally for all the women in the Adran League that are paid very little to give everything they have for their club every week. And I think that that's what social media does. It gives a platform to people that, don't need to speak, and that's just the nicest way I can put it. I was told I wasn't allowed to swear, so I think there's this piece of women versus men, and I think we're all here because of sport, and that's just what we need to come back to, that if you don't enjoy watching women's football, please don't watch it. If you're a fan of Welsh football, please cheer on all levels, all genders, just to make sure we're giving our young people every opportunity to achieve their own ambitions. But I was very, very sad and heartbroken for those women who made history and then had to deal with that kind of immaturity, insecurity, and just imbecile behavior, really.